I don't want to go to school today, Mom. Sitting out at the school bus stop, hoping, praying that the bus wouldn't show up. Well, guess what? The buses are here. It's time to go to school. The school buses are getting used to the third mile. Why? Because they're going to be chasing each other in a couple of minutes. Four school buses, and the winner, the last one standing, will take us all to school. Cheer these drivers on, because this is about the last time they're going to hear you. The next time they're out on the Speedway, it's going to be crunch time. What do you say we have spectator drags with the school buses? Each bus has a handful of schools written on them. Seekonk, Westport, Newport, Norton, Exeter, Gloucester, Cumberland, Portsmouth, Providence, Attleboro, North Attleboro, East Providence, Bellingham, South. I can't read them that fast as they go by. Well, I guess this means 4 teams, 4 stops, or 4 schools will be left there Tuesday morning waiting for the bus, because these buses will not show up. Well, it looks like we're just getting ready for this. But we need a little bit help there. The drivers, they can't hear me, but they can hear you folks in the stands. We're going to count this down for the green from 5. Are you ready? Let's go. 5, 4, 3. And they're off. Well, it looks like I had it wrong. I'm backwards. They're going after each other in the infield. Oh, Hardin. Oh, that one almost went over. The rain of Minnesota, it almost went over. Now try it one more time. Oh, hard hit and called the Malachi Crunch. Oh, just missing. Oh, there's a hard hit. And another one as he gets pushed around. All the way around. Here comes trying another hit. The Seekonk bus, and just barely nipping him as he went over the hump. These drivers are professionals. They do this periodically, and that was a good solid hit. And oh, here goes another one. And try this one more as, oh, just getting by one. And oh, just missing that one. Oh, a hit in the nose. We've got the hood up on one bus as he circles around back into the infield. Oh, there's a hard hit, and here comes another one. Trying to get away. Oh, gets it there. And oh, almost up onto the side. Oh, another hit. And he's got his hands up in the air, and it looks like he's all done for this one. And we can count out that one out. And no, just one more for good luck. So the Newport bus is done. It's down to 3. And 2 of them together on the hump down in turn number 3. He's taking a detour out onto the track. That's cheating. We have a rule here. You have to actually hit somebody to stay in the Demolition Derby. Goes over the hump, and oh, what a hit there. 2 hits. Hard. The hood is up now on the Westport bus. The Seekonk bus doing the most damage to anybody else, and he hits the other one, and ooh, just stopped short, almost hit him. I thought that was the general idea, was to hit him. Central Falls Forster bus, a lot of damage to the rear of that machine. And up through the action, look at this. Oh, another hard hit. Oh, caught in the middle. The Cumberland bus trying to push the other one around. Here comes the other one and gives it the Malachi crunch. Again, these drivers are professionals with the school bus demolition derby. They're not just regular school bus drivers. They do this here and there. And it's a lot of fun for them. These are buses that have been taken out of commission for a long time. And, well, you won't see these back up on the bus. The Norton bus with a lot of damage to the right rear of that machine. The emergency exit is now closed. Back to back in another hit right there between Westport and the Cumberland bus. Here comes the Norton one trying to get back into the race. And oh, I heard that one felt up here, and he's pushing it over the hump. And they're hooked together. Now they get unhooked, but those two buses were stuck together. Seekonk bus going around, and it looks like they're taking this one to the streets or into the grass. Here comes the Norton bus by. And there's only one bus left in the middle, and he's coming up onto the track. It looks like we're going to have another one right here, and oh! Trying to hit him, just missed him as the Westport bus is able to get away. But look at this, one more time on the front straightaway. And the long buses have now become the short buses. Oh, right in the driver's side of the Seekonk bus. Hear that transmission grinding on the Seekonk bus as he backs up. But then he pulls away. Here comes another one right here. Pushes him all the way around. And make that a 3-bus derby. And oh, the hood comes off on one of the buses. You can see the bus is overheating. There he comes one more time. He wants revenge on that one. Oh, look at that get crunched up. That's a hard hit, pushes him all the way around, and look out, look out, look out! Oh, just missed him, but gets him back. Oh, just ripped off the nose. Just drove right over the nose, take that. It's got a lot of smoke billowing out from that engine, but he still goes. Oh, that's a hard hit. And those two are, well, almost locked together. And watch out at this one. Oh! If we could have the kids down at the fence, please step away. If we could have the folks down at the fence, please go back to your seats, please. Coming back through the infield. Look at this one. Oh, just missed him as he threw on the brakes. The Seekonk bus still has the nose intact. A lot of damage to the back, though. As the Westport bus in the infield going through. Oh, gets hit there. Knocked. There it goes. The Westport has lost the nose. Still going, though. And just missed. Oh, that was a close one. Always close up on its side. Oh, Westport backs up over the hump. Back into the center, and oh, hit there, and look at this. Oh, another one. Trying for one more, and finishes off that bus, and that leaves two. Westport and Seekonk are the final two, as the other two buses are all done. And here he comes hard through the infield. Watch out, look out. Oh, just misses him up. Just almost up on its side, but look at him try to push him down into turn number one. As he scrapes along the side, he says, what was that? Watch this. The hometown bus backing up over the center hump as the Westport bus tries to back out of the way. Here comes Seekonk, hard on the gas. A little bit of contact, not that hard though, as Westport was able to get away. Oh, we've still got two buses remaining. How many think Westport will be the one to take the win? How many think the Seekonk bus will finish them off? Well, they're locked together now as the Westport bus tries to get away. But the Seekonk bus saying, follow me. Westport backs that bus down into the infield. Seekonk saying, I still got to hold my body panels in the front. How about you? Look at this. He's going to stop and jam it in reverse. And look at this. Oh, just missed him. How about that? All that work going for nothing. Now the Westport driver's mad. He's going to try it again. And oh, again to get away this time. No! Up almost over on its side. Oh, Seekonk stuck in a rut. The Westport bus drives away. The Seekonk bus just spinning his tires. There he goes, he's got him out of the rut. That's a sportsmanship move, saying if I'm going to beat you, I'm going to beat you on the track. I'm not going to get you stuck in a rut. And that may be what does Westport in, because he's lost his nose already. Seekonk bus. And tries to push him back into the infield, right into the engine. Oh, that's a hit. And he's going to push him back. And it looks like we have a winner for the final kill. Bam! And the Seekonk school bus is your winner. How about that? What'd you think, ladies and gentlemen? Well, a little bit of a flame situation on the Westport bus, but how about a hand for all four of these drivers? Again, these drivers do this here and there. It's not just a one-shot thing, and a great big thanks for them coming down. Well, I'd like to thank everybody for coming down and enjoying Memorial Day weekend with us. Racing resumes this Saturday night with the Pro Stocks, the Sportsman cars, Street Stocks, Formula 4s, and Seekonk sports trucks, along with the Northeast Legend cars. That's all this Saturday night. Tickets for adults, just $12 a piece. Children, 6 to 14, just $4 each. And kids 5 and under, as always, free. Don't forget the Saturday night action starts at 6. Gates open up at